If you observe, there are reports about green lines appearing on the display of some Samsung devices that have been going around since last year. This is a big issue that the company has officially responded in some markets with the offer of providing a free one-time display replacement for out-of-warranty devices. Not only Samsung but even OnePlus users also faced the green line issues after installing the latest software update. Samsung has been offering these display replacements for selective models in India since last year, and the company has now expanded the list of supported models to include the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S22 series as well. But the catch is there is a deadline to get this replacement offer. This green line issue has primarily been reported on the devices with Super AMOLED displays. Now reports are saying that even more devices suffer from it now, requiring Samsung to expand the free replacement offer to additional models. This is a sad news again. But Samsung India has been providing a free display replacement for affected devices since July last year. The eligible devices included the Galaxy S20 series and the Galaxy Note 20 series. The company has now expanded the list to include the Galaxy S21 series and the Galaxy S22 series as I shared earlier. Just like last year, all devices will also be offered a free battery and kit replacement. But it appears that there is now a deadline to avail of this offer. Appointments must be booked at a Samsung service center by 30th April 2024 to get a free replacement from the company. If you book after this date, you will miss the offer. Customers are effectively getting their entire device refurbished with this offer. In other words, this is like a free service for the mobile phone. So if you're facing green line issues still in your Samsung mobile, then right now go to the Samsung official service website and book an appointment after the confirmation. Share this video with Samsung users so that it would be helpful for them.